Recently, social media began reacting to news that Jamie Foxx is expecting a child with his partner, Alice Huckstep. The announcement quickly sparked widespread online discussion, with users revisiting clips from Foxx's earlier Netflix stand-up special. In that special, Foxx joked about his life and relationships following his serious health scare, including humorous remarks about changing dating preferences. As often happens with comedy content, those jokes have since resurfaced online and are being reinterpreted in different ways by viewers after the recent news. A wave of online commentary has followed, with some users claiming there is a contradiction between his earlier comedic statements and his current relationship. Others, however, have pushed back, pointing out that stand-up comedy often exaggerates personal experiences for entertainment and should not be treated as literal declarations of intent or lifestyle rules. The discussion has also expanded into speculation about Foxx's personal life and past relationships, with people online referencing his dating history and previous high-profile romances. Over the years, Foxx has been linked to several partners, and he shares 2 daughters from earlier relationships, including Corinne Foxx and Annalise Bishop. As the conversation spread, additional rumors began circulating on social platforms about how his family may feel about the announcement. However, these claims are not confirmed and appear to be based on speculation rather than verified statements from those involved. Foxx has also had several well-known relationships in the past, including public attention around his connection with actress Katie Holmes, as well as other relationships that have occasionally been discussed in entertainment media over the years. Overall, the renewed attention surrounding Jamie Foxx reflects a familiar cycle in modern celebrity culture, where past interviews, comedy routines, and public appearances are continuously resurfaced and reinterpreted whenever a major personal development enters the public spotlight. In today's digital environment, nothing from a public figure's history truly disappears. Instead, it often re-emerges in new contexts, reshaped by current events, audience sentiment, and social media amplification. In this case, online discussion intensified after renewed focus on Foxx's personal life and his reported relationship with Alice Huckstep. As the news circulated, many users began revisiting earlier moments from his stand-up comedy performances and televised appearances. These clips, originally created for entertainment and humor, are now being reinterpreted through a more analytical and sometimes critical perspective. Jokes that once functioned purely as comedy material are being examined for deeper meaning, intent, or perceived inconsistencies with his current life circumstances. This pattern is not unique to Foxx. It reflects a broader trend in how audiences engage with celebrities in the age of social media. Public figures often develop long, highly visible careers, and over time, their words and actions accumulate into a digital archive that can be reactivated at any moment. When new developments arise, audiences frequently connect the dots between past and present, whether or not those connections were ever intended by the individual in question. As a result, commentary surrounding Foxx has become increasingly polarized. On one side, some social media users interpret resurfaced clips as evidence of contradiction or performative storytelling, suggesting that earlier statements now appear inconsistent with his current personal choices. On the other side, many argue that comedy should be understood within its proper context, rooted in performance, exaggeration, and audience engagement rather than literal autobiography. Supporters of Foxx emphasize that stand-up comedy is inherently shaped by timing, audience reaction, and artistic expression. They argue that isolating individual jokes or interviews and applying them to real-life developments years later can create misleading interpretations. From this viewpoint, the resurfacing of old material is less about revealing new truths and more about shifting audience perception over time. At the same time, critics of this cycle point out that celebrity culture itself encourages this type of scrutiny. Because public figures like Foxx operate within highly visible industries, their personal and professional lives become intertwined in the public imagination. Every new headline can trigger renewed interest in archived content, fueling ongoing debate that often blends fact, assumption, and opinion. Ultimately, the situation highlights how quickly narratives can evolve online. A single update in a celebrity's personal life can reactivate years of past material, transforming entertainment into discussion points and humor into debate. While some of the commentary surrounding Foxx is intense or speculative in nature, much of it exists within the realm of interpretation rather than verified fact. In the end, the renewed attention illustrates how modern audiences engage with fame itself, less as a linear story and more as a constantly updating collage of moments, clips, and reactions that are endlessly reassembled in real time. In those conversations, some commentators allege that Foxx's earlier jokes and public remarks about relationships were used as a way to connect with audiences during a vulnerable period in his life. According to this viewpoint, his public storytelling and humor resonated strongly with fans, particularly within the Black community, where Black women have historically shown strong support for prominent Black male entertainers during personal or professional crises. From that perspective, critics online argue that parts of his stand-up material may have been strategically received or repackaged by audiences and media, leading to assumptions about his personal choices that are now being re-examined in light of his current relationship and upcoming child. The conversation intensified as users resurfaced past public moments and paparazzi sightings, including appearances where Foxx was seen at social events following his recovery period. Some online posts contrasted those earlier public narratives with recent developments, framing them as inconsistent, though these interpretations remain part of ongoing social media debate rather than verified fact. At the center of much of the discussion is a broader claim circulating online: that celebrity messaging, especially during moments of vulnerability, can be amplified or interpreted in ways that build strong public emotional support. Critics argue that this can sometimes lead to misunderstandings about intent versus performance, particularly in entertainment-driven storytelling like stand-up comedy. Attention has also shifted toward family reactions, especially regarding Foxx's daughters, including Corinne Foxx. Some online posts speculate about how they may feel about the news, suggesting they were protective of their father during his health recovery and may have been surprised by the announcement. However, these claims are based on unverified social media reports and speculation rather than confirmed statements from the family. Overall, the situation has evolved into a wider cultural debate online, blending celebrity news, personal interpretation of past comedy material, and assumptions about family dynamics. While opinions remain divided and emotions run high on social platforms, much of the narrative currently circulating is rooted in commentary and rumor rather than confirmed details. The discussion around Jamie Foxx continues to split public opinion, especially as people interpret his personal life through the lens of recent events and past media attention. Some online commentators point out that his daughters, including Corinne Foxx and Annalise Bishop, have reportedly witnessed his relationships over the years and may feel worn down by repeated public speculation surrounding his romantic choices. At the same time, many supporters strongly push back against that narrative. They argue that Foxx is a 58-year-old adult, an Academy Award-winning actor, and a long-established figure in Hollywood who has spent decades managing fame at the highest level. From their perspective, he has every right to make personal decisions about his relationships and family life without needing public approval or constant scrutiny. This viewpoint is further reinforced by his serious health crisis in 2023, when he experienced a life-threatening medical emergency involving a stroke and brain bleed. Supporters say that such an experience often changes a person's outlook, making them more focused on living freely rather than conforming to public expectations or online opinions. Those defending him also question the idea that his children or the public should have influence over his romantic decisions. While acknowledging that his daughters have supported him through difficult times and share a close bond with him, they emphasize that they are independent adults with their own lives. Corinne Foxx, for example, is already established in her own career and personal life, while Annalise is approaching adulthood. From this perspective, it is unreasonable, they argue, to expect Foxx to pause or limit his personal life choices simply to avoid public criticism or to maintain a certain family image. They believe that while family relationships remain important, they do not erase an individual's right to continue building their own future, including expanding their family if they choose. Ultimately, supporters frame the situation as a question of personal autonomy versus public expectation. In their view, Foxx has already fulfilled his role as a father and public figure over many years, and now deserves the space to live his life according to his own choices rather than external pressure or internet-driven narratives.